Hello class. In this video I will show you how we can find the area of a triangle by composing a rectangle. The formula for the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. Now in order to understand why this formula works, let's go back to the formula for a rectangle. And we should always understand why things work in math. We shouldn't just memorize formulas, we should know why they work. So the formula for the area of a rectangle is base times height. So in this rectangle, the base is 4 units and the height is 3 units. So if we multiply base times height, we would get 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So the area of this rectangle would be 12 square units. 12 square units. Now if we take this triangle and we copy it, we copy its exact dimensions. A base of 4 units and a height of 3 units. Okay. Copy it and rotate it. Rotate it 180 degrees. We can now use this original triangle. By copying it and rotating it, we can compose a rectangle. Now the area of the original triangle will be half of the area of this rectangle that we've created. So this shows why taking half of the base times height works. Since the formula for the area of a rectangle is base times height, now we're taking half of that. So half of 4 times 3 the area of the triangle is half of 12, which is equal to 6 square units. Let's try another example. If we take a triangle with a base of 8 units and a height of 6 units and copy and rotate it to compose a rectangle, the original triangle will have an area of half of this rectangle we compose. So let's take a copy of the original triangle and we're going to rotate it. Now we've used that original triangle to compose a rectangle. And a rectangle with a base of 8 units and a height of 6 units. We put those numbers into the formula. Area of a rectangle is 8 times 6. Base times height, 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So the area of this rectangle will be 48 square units. And if we take the formula for the area of the triangle, half base times height, we would have half of 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So half of 48 is 24. So the area of this original triangle is 24 square units. So now you can understand why the formula for the area of a triangle is half of base times height, because a right triangle will be half of the rectangle. You can compose a rectangle out of 2 of these right triangles if you use the same identical copy.